Okay, Putte, have you finished with the first 6 questions? Do you need more time?
Yes, teacher.
Have you finished?
No, teacher.
You need time. Senula has finished. Okay, in which question, Ranuti, are you?
In sixth one, teacher.
Okay. හරිනම් අපි first 5 discuss කරමු පුතේ. බලන්න ඔයාලගේ answers කොහොමද හරිද කියලා. Find the digital root. Now what is the important keyword in here? Important keyword is find the digital root. Huh? Sorry. It's the digital root. Okay, then find in digital. Now if you don't know what is mean by digital root, then you can't obtain the answer. No, what is the digital root? That means it is the sum of the digits of a number එක digits වල එකතුව තමයි අපි digital root එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. Then to obtain the digital root of a given number, add all these. 8 plus 6, it is 14, plus 1, it is 15. Then again, we have to add this. What is the answer? Did you get it as 6?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Then you have given 2 marks. Okay, marks no tapi දාගෙන යන් වල තනියම කරන්න. 2 marks are given. Okay, then here what is mean by expand? The expand means you have to write this as a product of the terms. Okay, product එකක් විදිහට ලියනවා කියන්නේ you have to write this as a multiplication. Then a squared, that means a to the power of 2. That means a should be multiplied by a squared, or a to the power of 2, it says a multiply 2 times repeatedly. B cube. B cube means b to the power of 3. That means it says multiply b 3 times. Okay. Again, b cube or b to the power of 3 means it is multiply b 3 times. B 3 parak multiply. Then this is the answer. Okay. Check whether you have got this answer. It is 2. Have you got this answer?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Name an obtuse angle. How we write an obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means an angle which is larger than 90 degree. No? Then what is the obtuse angle? B, D, C. Then you should have put a hat to the vertex of the obtuse angle. A concave polygon in the diagram. Sorry, here it should be obtuse, never obtuse. Huh? Concave polygon. What is the concave mean? මොකද පුතේ concave polygon එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ? Can you remember? Did you name the concave polygon? Concave polygon එකක් name කරාද? කියන්නකෝ බලන්න ඔයාලා name කරපු concave polygon එක.
At least one angle.
Sorry? පුතේ ඔයාලට මාව ඇහෙනවද? Actually it's raining here and I can't hear anything.
Yes, teacher, I can hear you.
Then which one is the concave polygon? Okay. The concave polygon is ABDC, no? A, B, D, C. Because in the A, B, D, C, it forms a reflex angle. Therefore, A, B, D, C is the concave polygon. Then you are given 2 marks. Denote the set A prime numbers from 1 to 10. When it says 1 to 10, okay? From 1 to 10, that means we can consider 1 and 10 if it is belongs to the set. But we know that 1 and 10 are not prime numbers, no? They are not primes. Then what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7.
7, 9.
No, 9 is not a prime number. Okay? Prime can 9 is an odd number. හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න හොඳද? Because the prime means there are only two factors. Then it is better, it is you have denote the set, then you have to write the set in set notation. If you have written like this, then you are given 2 marks. Okay, 9 කියන්නේ odd number එකක්. It is not prime. Remember it. Add. When you add, in the days column, you can write only 29. If it is more than 29, you have to carry to the month. In the month column, you can write the highest value is 11. Then you have to carry to the years column. Let's see. 5 plus 7, it is 12. Answer is 32. So we write 2 here and take the remaining 30 by making as 1 month. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, it is 13. Then we write 1 here and take 12 to the years. Then it becomes 24 years. Have you got this answer? මේ වගේ answer එකක් ආවද ඔයාලට? Or any different answer? කියන්න බලන්න ඔයාලට ආපු answer එක.
Teacher, I will take the 12 in month.
පුතේ here days column එකේ ඉඳන් එකක් months column වලට යන month column එකට යනවා කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? ඒ කියන්නේ 30 month වලට යනවා කියලා කියන්නේ month වලට එකක් එකතු වෙනවා. ඒතකොට 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. එතකොට months වලින් 12 අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. අඩු කරලා ඒ අඩු කරන 12 years පැත්තට ගෙනියන. එතකොට එයා එකක් වෙලා තමයි යන්නේ. හරිද? එතකොට එකක් ඒ කියන්නේ වැඩිපුර එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒක month column එකට ඇවිල්ලා years column එක 24 වෙනවා. හරිද? චැනුල කොහමද වැරදිලාද ඒ ගාන? හරි 6 question එකේ ඉඳන් කරන්න බලන්න ඔයාලට පේනව නේද? Do up to 10th question from the 6th one. Okay, Ranudi, have you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ranudi, here I want to uh, now I feel that you get confused with the how to remember the prime numbers now. Okay, look at there is a simple method that we can remember the prime numbers. Okay, look at a simple way. If you here I am writing a particular sentence, you can remember this one. My my dog my dog bites several KGB men. Okay, this is the sentence that you have to remember the prime numbers. Okay, then look at what are the numbers given by this sentence. මේ sentence එකෙන් ඔයාලට හම්බ වෙන numbers ටික බලන්න පුතේ. Okay. My. In the word my, there are two letters. Dog, there are three letters. Bites, there are five letters. Several, there are one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven letters. Here there are only one letters, K, G, B. Then you can write just one, one, one. Here there are three letters. Then here 11. We consider these two digits and make a one number. Here 30. Then these are the first six prime numbers. Okay. If you want, you can remember this simple sentence and you can remember the prime numbers. Then you never write the 9 or the yes, most of the time students get confused with the 9. You will never write 9 as a prime number. Okay, my dog bites several KGB men. Okay, then you have to remember this sentence. Is it easy or not?
It is very easy, teacher.
Okay, then write this down. Okay, have you finished the writing? Shall we move?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Name the plane figure used to tessellation shown in the diagram. To draw this tessellation, what are the plane figures that they have used? It is A triangle. No, actually it is better to write equilateral triangle. That means the answer is complete. Your answer, if you have written triangle, it is also correct. But if you have written equilateral triangle, it is far better than writing the triangle. What type of tessellation is this? Then you know that there are two types of tessellations, pure
Isolation.
tessellation and semi-pure tessellation. When it comes to pure tessellation, it consists of only one type of shape. Okay? Pure tessellation එකක් කියන්නේ පුතේ එකම ජාතිය shapes තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Then here it consists of only equilateral triangle. That means it is called the pure tessellation.
Excuse me, teacher.
ඔව් පුතේ.
Teacher, but its diagram is not complete.
You are asking that here? මෙන්න මෙතනද?
Yes, teacher.
It doesn't matter. Okay, if you complete it like this, you can obtain the we can complete the diagram using a triangle. No? That means it is a pure tessellation.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now in here, in the seventh question, simplify. Simplify means this is a long expression. You have to obtain the answer, one answer for this expression. Then here you can see there are two operations. When you have only one operation, then it is easy to obtain the answer. But here there are two kind of operations. Okay, then when we have two or more, yes, two or more operations, that means more than one operation. Two or more means more than one operation. Then there is a purity. Okay. For this purity, actually, here also there is a small sentence that you can remember to. පුතේ මේ meeting එක විනාඩි 10කින් cancel වෙයි. මොකද මේ මගේ මේ Zoom package එක ඉවර වෙලා. හරිද? ඔයාලා හිතමුත් ආයි join වෙන්න. There is a small sentence that we can remember to order of the operation. Bodmas is one of the way that we remember what is the operation we do. Okay, this is the order of operation. First we do the brackets. That means B indicates the B stand for the brackets. O indicates for of term. D indicate division. M indicates multiplication. A, it is addition. S, it is subtraction. Okay. Then here it is addition and multiplication. You can see that before the addition it is multiplication. That means we have to do the multiplication first. So and we have to obtain the answer. 7 times 5 it is 35. Then 3 is added to 35. Then the answer is 38. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then the eighth question. Underline, sorry, you haven't done this one, no? Okay, now you can try the 8 to 12. 8 to 12 try karanda. Senula, do you have any questions to ask?
Teacher,
Okay.
teacher, when we do 11 question, we want to draw the number line.
Yes, you have to draw the line and do it.
Finish, teacher. Teacher.
Okay, then let's discuss the eighth one. Underline the instruments which contain parallel edges. Then which contains the parallel edges?
Set square.
The set of a square. Which shape of set of a square? It is this shape, no? Is this consist of the parallel edges? Make a parallel edges තියනවාද? If we consider protect, do it consist of parallel edges? If we consider a straight edge, but we know that we use the set of a square to draw parallel straight lines, but it does not consist of the parallel edges. That means the parallel straight lines or the parallel edges which are equidistant to each other, no? Therefore, only answer should be straight edges. Did you understand it?
Teacher, can you tell it again?
We use a set of square to draw parallel straight line segments, but it does not consist of the parallel straight lines. That means the edges which are equidistant. ඒ කියන්නේ සමාන දුරින් තියෙන්නේ edges. දැන් හිතන්නකෝ මේ edges දෙක ගත්තොත් මේ ඒවා එක එක තැනට එක එක විදිහ නේද? ඊළඟ මේ තව edges දෙකක් consider කරොත් මෙයයි 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 වෙනස් වෙනව නේද?
Yes, teacher.
මේක විතරයි මේ විදිහට තියෙන්නේ. Okay. Next one, simplify. 5 meters 50 centimeters multiplied by 3. Then 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 5, 15. 1. 3 into 5, 15 plus 1. It is, yes, it is 60. Why I take this 1 to the meters column? Can any of you tell me the reason?
Because the 1 meter has 10 centimeter.
100 centimeters. Okay. Then when you can't write a number more than 99. Okay. That means we can't write more than 2-digit number. No. So we have to take 1 to the meters column. Then the answer is 16 meters and 50 centimeters. You are correct. Then each of these questions carry 2 marks. Okay. What the diameter of circle of radius x? Now you have to remember the relationship between the diameter and the radius of a circle. What is it? Can you remember the relationship? Diameter equals to 2 r's. Okay, that means 2 radii is equal to diameter. Then if the diameter of the circle of radius x, then what is the diameter? It is 2 into x. Answer is 2x. Have you got the answer? No.
Teacher, I will write only X.
X. What the diameter of the circle of radius x? Radius එක x වෙච්ච කෙනාගේ diameter එක තමයි පුතේ අහන්නේ. එතකොට අපි දන්නවා මොකද්ද? diameter එකයි radius එකයි අතර තියෙන relationship එක තමයි diameter is equal to 2r. r ඒව දෙකක් තමයි diameter එකක් කියන්නේ. හරිද? එතකොට x නම් දීලා තියෙන radius එක කියලා. then the diameter is equal to 2x. You can remember that diameter is twice as tall as r. Diameter එක radius එක වගේ දෙගුණයක් කියලා මතක තියාගන්න වෙනවා. හරිද? Any questions?
No, teacher.
Then simplify. When here you have to obtain the answer for the two different sign numbers addition by using this number line. First of all, you have to move to the plus 4 from the 0. 0 වල ඉඳන් plus 4 වලට යන්න ඕනේ. And you should have shown that the way or the path that you move using the arrowhead. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඔයාලා 0 වල ඉඳන් කොයි පැත්තටද නැත්නම් 4 වල ඉඳන් 0 වලට දාවි 0 වල ඉඳන් 4 ටද. ඒතකොට අපි යන්න ඕනේ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම starting එකේදී දැන් මෙතන minus තිබ්බනම් 0 වල ඉඳන් minus value එකට යන්න ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ 4 වල ඉඳන් තමයි අපි බලන්නේ කොයි පැත්තටද අපි යන්නේ කියලා. At minus 5. At minus 5 means you have to add to the opposite direction 5 steps. Steps පහක් add කරන්න ඕනේ opposite direction එකට. Then we stop at the minus 1. Then you should have shown that this steps also using arrowheads. Arrowheads use කරලා පෙන්වන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? Have you obtained this answer like this?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, then move to the 12, 14 questions. Okay, finish. Ranudhi, have you finished up to 14th one? ඔයාට ඇහෙනවද පුතේ මාව? Okay. 12th question. Look at 50 liters, 25 milliliters of bee honey was divided equally among 3 people. Find the volume of honey received. Okay, then how we check? Look at it is 50 liters and 25 milliliters. Okay, then this should be divided by 3. Okay. Then when you divide, you have to check how many trees are there within 50. That means how many trees fit with the 50. Look at 3 into 1, it is 3. Likewise, you have to go on. Then we can see that within 5 it is 1. Okay, 1 into 3, 3. Then subtract. 3 subtracted by 5, it is 2. Then take this 0, it is 20. Then check how many 3's fit within 20. It is 6, no? 6 into 3, it is 18. Then take this 2. Then how many 3's within 22? It should be written here. Now this is liters and this is milliliters. Sorry, here look at in the milliliters column, you have to remember that it consists of only 2 digits. But we know that we can write 25. You should have written it as a 3-digit number. This is the main point that most of the students do. Why you have to write this 0? Because we know that in the milliliters column, we can write 3-digit number. Now it is given that it is 25. So you have to complete this 25 with 0 when you do the division. Then you have to take this 0. How many 3's within 20? It is 6. 6 into 3 it is 18. Then 2. Then 22. Then it is 7. 7 into 3 it is. Then how many 3's within 15? It is 5. 5 into 3, 15. Then the answer is after dividing this into equal 3 parts, then find the volume of honey received by 1. Okay. It is 16 liters and 675 milliliters. Have you got this answer? Or have you forgot to take this 0? මේ 0 එක ගන්න අමතක වෙලාද?
I forgot it, teacher.
Then write this. Okay, ඔයාලට ඒක සිද්ධ වෙයි. ඒ හින්දා එක්සෑම් එකේදී හොඳට බලන්න මිලිලීටර්ස් වල තියෙන්නේ 2 digit number එකක් නම් අනිවාර්යෙන්ම එතනට ඔයාලා 0 එකක් දාගන්නම ඕනේ. ඒක මතක තියාගන්න. හරිද? Okay, have you finished? Let's move to the find the value of. Now here when you have to multiply a decimal number with a number with zeros. Okay, remember that the decimal places are removed for the number of zeros. Look at here, there are two decimal places and two zeros. That means these two decimal places can be cancelled for the two zeros. So the answer is 1. Okay, or there's another method that we can forget about the decimal places, and you can multiply. Now when you forget the decimal places, it is 1 into 100. 1 into 100 means it is 100. Then separate the decimal places, it is 1 point. Then most of the students has teacher, uh, is these two are two different numbers? No. One can be written as 1 කියන එක අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් කොහොමද? It can be written as 1.0000 තව ගොඩක් එන්නත් පුළුවන්. The both are same answers. Okay. Four glass tank shown in the figure in the shape of a cube is half filled with water. Okay, මේකෙන් භාගයක් පිරලා තියෙනවා. Find the volume of water in the container. Okay, then now here to obtain this answer, they have given this is shape of a cube. Okay, then you can find the, now if it is filled with half of the water, that means this is 5 centimeters. No, this height should be 5 centimeters. Then you can calculate the volume of this cuboid shape water level. Okay, water amount, it is can be calculated 5 into 10 into 10, because it is filled with half of. Then 10 into 10 it is 100. 100 into 5 is 500. You should have written the answer in cubic centimeters. Or the other way is, this is one way, you can find the volume of the cube එකේ volume එක හොයන්න. It is 1000. We obtain the answer as 1000. And we know that it is filled. The water is filled up to half of the container. No? That means you can divide this value by 2. Then volume of water can be obtained. Volume of water can be obtained by dividing 1000 into 2. Then answer is 500 cubic centimeters. Have you got these answers? May answers ගත්තද?
Yes, teacher. Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, but I am not written down in cubic centimeter. Only write.
No, you should have written the cubic centimeters. Otherwise, the answer is wrong. Wrong means you are not given 1 mark for not writing the units. Okay, so the units of the volume is cubic centimeters. You should have written it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, finish. ඉවරයි නේද පුතේ? රානුති, do you need more time?
No, teacher, finish.
Okay. A ribbon of length 12 meter is cut into 3 pieces in the ratio of 1 to 2 to 3. Okay. Find the length of the shortest piece. Then how we obtain the answer? It is a ratio related question. The first thing is you have to add these three terms in the ratio. Ratio එකේ තියෙන terms ටික එකතු කරගන්න. හරිද? Then 1 plus 2 plus 3. Because it is given that the whole length of the ribbon is 12. This is going to be cut into the ratio of this. Then first of all we identify what is the size of the one piece. Then it means 1 plus 2 it is 3 plus 3 it is 6. Then 12 is divided by 6 answer is 2. Then shortest piece that means it is 1. Okay, its length is 1. Then 2 into 1 answer is 2 meters. Okay, remember to put the unit in the answer. Have you got this answer?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. A solid that satisfied Euler's relation has 5 ඔන්න පුතේ 10 minute break එකක් ආයි එනවා. I join වෙන්නයි. හරිද? A solid that satisfies Euler's relation has 5 faces and 8 edges. Okay? Then find the number of vertices using the Euler's relation. Then we know that it is equal to, what is the Euler's relationship? Vertices added faces equals to edges added 2. Okay, then vertices, you have to find the vertices now. The number of faces given is 5, edges is given as 8 plus 2. Then vertices equal to 10 subtract 5. Answer is 5. Here what you have to do is you have to remember the Euler's relationship. Okay. 17th one. Fill in the blank. Now this is relevant to the what? It is relevant to the percentage related question. Now 0.8 can be obtained by 8 divided by 10. Okay. So to obtain the 100, 10 should be multiplied by 10. That means 8 also should be multiplied by 10. It become 80. Then 80 upon 100 means what? It is 80%. Okay, the percentage mark means a particular fraction out of 100. Okay. Then write all the possible outcomes when an unbiased coin is tossed once. When coin is tossed once, what are the possible outcomes? It is head or tail. No? Have you written these answers?
Do not occur.
Do not occur. No, dear. There it can be occur. Here outcomes mean what are the observations that we can obtain. අපි toss කරාම අපිට කාවද හම්බ වෙන්නේ කියලා. මොනවාද අපිට හම්බෙන outcomes? It is head or tail. Head එක හරි tail එක හරි නේද අපිට හම්බ වෙන්නේ.
Yes, teacher.
19th and 20th question කරාද? Okay, try the 19th and 20th question. Okay, Putte, have you finished with the 19th one?
Yes,
බලන්න
teacher.
මෙතන in the 19th question, here look at that. The diagram shows a sketch of a scale diagram of a rectangular land which is drawn to the scale of 1 to 1000. Find the actual length and breadth of the land. එතකොට පුතේ 1 to 1000 කියලා කියන එකේ තේරුම තමයි the meaning of 1 to 1000. That means 1 centimeter has been used to represent 1000 centimeters. Okay. Then in such cases, if you are asked to find the actual length when after giving the scale length and the ස්කේල් එකයි ස්කේල් length එකයි දුන්නහම අපෙන් අහනවා නම් actual length එක, what you have to do is multiply by scale එකෙන් multiply කරන්න. හරිද? If you are asked the scale length by giving the actual length, that means you have to divide by scale එකෙන් divide කරන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Now you have to find the actual length, no? Then length is equal to, it is 10 by 1000. 10 by 1000 means it is 10,000 centimeters. Then convert this into meters by dividing 100. Then answer is 100 centimeters. Sorry, 100 meters. Okay, 100 meters. Then next one is breadth. Breadth is given that 7.5. It is multiplied by 1000. That means answer is 7,500 centimeters. Then to convert it into meters, you have to divide by 100. Then it is 75 meters. Okay. Have you got these answers? ඔයාලට මේ answers ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවද? රණුදි?
No, teacher.
Now did you understand the way of obtaining the actual length?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What about the සෙනුල? එතකොට පුතේ මේ actual length එකක් හොයාගන්නේ අපි scale එකයි scale length දුන්නහම multiply කරන්න වෙනවා. Scale length එකක් හොයාගන්න නම් ඔයාලට actual length එක divide කරන්න වෙනවා. හරිද? If you measure the PAB angle, please let me what is the size of the angle is.
Teacher, I didn't measure it because I haven't this paper.
Yes, no. Okay. Then you can do it by after taking the PDF. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
okay. Then here you have to answer 6 questions only. Then let's do the first question. අපි බලමු පළවෙනි question එක කොහොමද කරන්න කියලා. Okay. Take the question. No need to write the question. Just write the answer for the first one. Okay, finish. Ranudi, have you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, then discuss. Fill in the blank box with suitable digit to get 3-digit number divisible by 6. Fill in the blank box with the suitable digit to get a 3-digit number divisible by 6. It is not given, no?
Yes, teacher.
Right answer obtaining two above. Okay. Okay, then here I will give the answer. Hmm. Okay, now tell me what is the suitable digit by looking at the number. What is the suitable one? Mhm. Now to be divisible by 6, what are the two conditions satisfied by a number? A number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then we can check that a number is divisible by 2 when the last digit is an even number. Now that means that particular condition is satisfied by the number. මේ number එකෙන් last digit එක දෙකෙන් බෙදෙන හින්දා අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් මොකද්ද මේ number එක දෙකෙන් නම් බෙදෙනවා කියලා. ඒ කියන්නේ last digit එක even number එකක් වෙන හින්දා. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ it should be divisible by 3. How we identify whether a number is divisible by 3? The digital root should be equal to one of digit 3 or 6 or 9. හරිද? digital root එක 3 හරි 6 හරි 9 හරි වෙන්න ඕනේ. Then if we consider the 7 plus 4, it is 11. No? Then 11 is 1 plus 1. Then to be 3 or 6 or 9. අපි 3 කියමුකෝ. 3 වෙන්න නම් මොකක්ද දෙන්න ඕනේ digit එක? It should be, yes, can you tell me? It should be 1, no? Or 7 plus 1, 8, then 8 plus 4, it is 12. 12 plus, that means 1 plus 2, it is 3. It is divisible. Or if we consider that the digital root is equal to 6, may 6 will be equal වෙන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට 7 plus 4, it is 11. 11 plus yes, 11 plus 7 වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. 7 වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. තව 5 වුණොත් නෑ, sorry 4. 4 වුණත් හරි. 1 4 7. එතකොට මෙතනදී digital root එක වෙනවා 3යි කියලා. මෙතනදී digital root එක එනවා 6යි කියලා. මෙතනදී digital root එක එනවා 9යි කියලා. එතකොට if the answer is 1 4 or 7, then that number is divisible by 6. Okay. Write 72 as a product of prime numbers. Then we take the prime numbers and we do the continuous division. 72 is divided by 2. 72 divided by 2. How many 2's within 7? It is 3. Then how many 2's within 12? It is 4.
6.
Yes, it is 6. Again divide by 2. It is 118. Again divide by 2. It is 9. Divide by 3. Okay. It is then How we write this as a product of 5 numbers, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then when we write this as in index form, 2 is repeatedly multiplied by 3 times. So 2 to the power of 3. 3 has been multiplied by 3 2 times. That means 3 times. So 3 to the power of 2. This is how you should have written the answer. Have you got it?
Teacher, I will write only 2 to the power of 3.
No. You have to write the 3 also. That means you have obtained this product, no? Then you have to write this part also. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Then in a certain dancing group, 60 students wear pink dresses and 24 wear blue dresses. 60, 24. Pink, blue. If they are to be placed in such a way that the students who wear the same color are in a same row, using the knowledge of highest common factor, that means HCF, find the maximum number of students that can be in a row. That means you have to identify what is the highest common factor of 60 and 24. Then how we obtain the highest common factor? We have to continuously divide 60 and 24 separate by taking these two separately by prime numbers. Then if you continue with the division, then we can write 60 as 2 to the power of 2 into 3 times 5. 24 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 times 3. Okay. So then why I write it like that? I take this at once. Okay. Product එකක් විදිහට ලියලමු ගමු. 60 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, then we choose the common factors like this. Then HCF of 60 and 24 can be obtained as 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 it is 4, 4 into 3 it is 12. Okay, have you got this answer? That means this is the maximum number of students that can be in a row. Did you get this answer?
Yes, teacher.
Shenula? Okay, then let's move to the second question. Oh, yes. ඔයාලට second question එකේදී එතකොට මේක complete කරන්න ඔයාලා ගාව paper එක නැහැ නේද පුතේ? Okay, කමක් නැහැ. අපිට ඒ complete කරන part එක නැතුව ඉතුරු ටික කරන්නකො බලන්න. It is clear no? Question එක පැහැදිලිනේ? Okay, Buddhi, still writing the answer.
Finish, teacher.
Finish. Okay, then let's see. Um, Copy the table given below into your answer script and fill in the blanks. Run scored overs. Then team A, first over. මොකද්ද පළවෙනි over එකේදී එයා අරගෙන තියෙන team A එක it is 8 marks, no? It is read 8. In the second over එකේදී it's 10. In the B group එක first over එකේදී 6 mark. Second over එකේදී it is 12 mark. Okay. Copy down the multi-column graph and complete it. Then A column in the third one, it is 8. That means it should be drawn it like kind of this way. And B group, it is 1. And you have to shade this one. It is 5. 5 means it is in this half of, that means in between 6 and 4. No need to color it. Okay, it is 5. Then what is the difference of runs scored by the teams A and B in the second over? Second over එකේදී එයාලා ගත difference එක අහනවා. It is 2 runs, no? සෙනුල නම් උඩ පැන පැන ලියන්න ඇති. මැච් බලනවා නේද? සෙනුල ගිහිල්ලා. Okay. Find the total of the runs team A scored in the first 3 overs. පළවෙනි overs 3ේදී team A එක score කරපු runs ගාන අහනවා. What is the answer? You have to sum of all these. 8 plus 10 plus 8. What is the answer then? 8 plus 8, 16 plus 10. It is 26. Isn't it? First 3 overs by A team. No?
Oh, yes, teacher.
Amit says that at the end of the 3 overs, the team that scored highest number of runs is A. Giving reasons, state whether the statement is correct. Is that Amit statement correct? Highest number එක අරන් තියෙන්නේ is it by A? You have to check the sum of the runs obtained by the group B. It is 6, 12 and 5. Then 30. It is 23. That means Amit's answer is correct, no? Highest number of runs obtained by team A, because the it is 26. You can write 26 is more than 23. That means Amit's statement is correct. Okay, Puti. Do you have any doubts to ask?
No, teacher.
Okay. Then rest of the questions can be discussed next week. Okay. That means you have to do the next page. It is better to have a printout and try to do the paper again. Okay. Most of the time you will get this kind of paper. Okay. Next week also I will try to discuss first 20 questions of this kind of paper. Okay, Ranudi, this is the central province year-end examination question paper of 2019. Okay, then good night. God bless you. Let's
Thank
meet
you, teacher.
next
Good night.
Monday. Yes, okay.